Welcome back to online classes. Dear students, today I am going to discuss with Indian Penal Code. Okay, I am James here. Today topic, offense of forgery relates to document. Okay, this is a separate topic. Offenses relating to documents. Section 463 to 477A. Okay, this is separate topic. Here, what is the meaning of document? Okay, section 29 defines a document as matter expressed, okay, or described upon any substance by means of letters, figures, or marks intended to be used, or which may be used as evidence of that matter. The explanation to the sections says that it is immaterial by what means or upon to what substance the letters, figure, or marks are made. Thus, a photograph is a document if finger impressions are left on an object. Such object with impressions so left is a document. In leading case, in olden case, Emperor versus Christopher, Kristoppa, Christopher. In this case, the accused changed marks, M-A-R-K-S, marks on the bark of a tree to pass off the tree as his own. So, the Bombay High Court held that the bark of the tree with the marks thereon was a document and upheld the conviction of the accused for forgery. Anything may be a document if it has any matter written, inscribed, or printed upon it. Okay, this is called document. Okay, definition of forgery document. Definition of forgery document. What is that? The offense of forgery has something to do with the making of a document. Okay, making of a document is not an offense by itself. It will be an offense if the document or any part thereof is false. That is, the matter of which the document purports to be an evidence is not such matter. In other words, facts are contrary to what they appear in such writing or inscription, while all forgeries are false documents. All false documents are not forgeries. Note down. Okay, all false documents are not forgeries. So, documents involving an exhibition of imitative skill are copies meant to appear like original, but not the originals themselves. They are not for that reason alone false documents for our purpose. They may be samples of innocent and even creditable achievements, as in fine art. A false document must be coupled with a criminal intent to constitute a crime. That is, an intent of a dishonest and fraudulent character must precede, that is, cause the false document to be made. Okay, we'll discuss definition of forgery. Okay, here, as per this term, whoever makes any false document, number one, with intent to cause damage or injury to the public or to any person. Number 2, support any claim or title. Number 3, to cause any person to part with property. Or number 4, to enter into any express or implied contract. Or number 5, with intent to commit fraud. Or number 6, that fraud may be committed under section 463 of IPC. Okay, now it's clear definition of forgery. Okay, what are the ingredients need to be fulfilled for forgery? Here the ingredients of an offence's forgery is defined are: number 1, the making of a false document or part of it. Number 2, such making should be with intent to. Under subclause, point number 1, cause damage or injury to the public or to any person. Or point number 2, support any claim or title. Point number 3, cause any person to part with property. Or point number 4, enter into any express or implied contract. Or point number 5, commit fraud or that fraud may be committed. So we need any one of the ingredients is occurs, that particular act, automatically this action is called forgery. Okay, these are all ingredients of the forgery. Okay students, what is the false document? What is the meaning of false document as by the IPC, Indian Penal Code? Making a false document, that means definition under section 464 of IPC explained: a person is said to make a false document if he dishonestly or fraudulently, number 1, makes, signs, seals, executes a document, that means or part of a document, or make any execution of document. Number 2, with intention of causing it to be believed that such document or part of document was made, signed, sealed or executed. Okay, and also point number 1 under definition: by the authority of a person by whom or by whose authority he knows that it was made, signed or executed. Number 2, at the time at which he knows that it was not made, signed, sealed or executed. Okay, for example, A as letter or credit upon B for rupees 10 lakhs. Okay, written by Z. A, in order defraud B, adds a chipper to the rest 10,000. Okay, and makes the sum of Ras 10 lakhs, intending that it may be believed by B that Z so wrote the letter A as committed forgery. Okay, and A, another illustration: A, without Z authority, affixes Z seal to a document purporting to be a conveyance of an estate from Z to A, with intention of selling the estate of B and thereby of obtaining from B the purchase money. Now A has committed forgery. Okay students, now this document related offense is over. We'll discuss with another topic with another online classes. Okay students, thank you all. Bye.